Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this Tamiya M-08 Concept chassis kit. Let's not waste any time and get started. Alright, this is not a huge kit, so this should be fairly straightforward. Alright, first tree we have here looks like it's the damper stay. And looks like the bumper and some standoffs. Very cool. This tree, those look like the body post, more body post, the wheel hubs. And these are two of the same trees. This tree, this looks like the transmission case and some more parts of the chassis. Very cool. And here are the uprights, front and rear, and the C-hubs. Let's see, and here's the chassis itself. It's two pieces and it's very small. Very cool. And what I love about the M-chassis is that they're just so small and easy to work with. Look at these wheels. And here are the arms. And there's a big bag here. I'm put that aside. Here's an antenna tube. M-08 Concept decals, the caution decals. This kit does not come with the body, so those would be just for kind of identification badging only. And here's the disclaimer. This is the manual itself. We'll take a look at that later. Let's see what's in the parts bags. Here's the foam bumper. Here's some gears for the transmission. And here is the A parts bag. So that's going to be, I think, the damper oil. This is going to be the diff case. Some pins, a lot of screws, and that's going to be the motor mount. A parts bag. And here's the B parts bag. Right here. The B parts bag is going to have, I believe these are part of the axles, the universal axles, I believe, and body pins. There are some turnbuckle ends right there, and some ball bearings. Pretty cool. C parts bag is going to have, I see some step screws, some shafts. This is going to be the servo saver, which I hate building, by the way. Some more rod ends, some more ball bearings, and some washers, and a lot of screws in the C parts bag. In the D parts bag, so this is going to be damper oil, so this is going to be, I guess it's going to be the diff oil. I see some damper springs here, some more rod ends, lots of screws. Those are the wheel nuts. Yep, and that's going to be the D parts bag. And we have some miscellaneous. This is foam tape. More foam tape. This is Molly grease, so this kit comes with the Molly grease. Cross wrench, Allen wrench, more body pins, some zip ties, and a turnbuckle wrench, looks like. These are parts of the diff. These are the gears. Here are the damper parts, the damper body, and the cap. This is the servo saver. And these are some more parts of the dampers, the lower perch. I see some pistons here. Yep. So that's everything that comes in the kit. Let's take a look at the manual. Alright, so here is the manual. So this is going to be the chassis only. It does not come with the tires, battery pack, the motor, the ESC, and the receiver. And you can build this in 3 different wheelbase lengths. I have not bought a body for this yet, so I don't know what wheelbase I'm going to use. And here are the wheelbases: 210 millimeters, 225, and 239 millimeters. What body would you like to see, or what body would you use for this chassis? Alright, let's see. So it looks very straightforward. Doesn't look like anything super complicated. I think I'll be able to do this probably, hopefully in one go in one afternoon, hopefully on a live stream. And I believe it's going to require a low profile servo, which I have already. So right here, this is going to be the 225. I think it's going to be the medium wheelbase, middle wheelbase, and this is going to be the short wheelbase, denoted by the S, 210 millimeters, and this is going to be the L, the long wheelbase, 239 millimeters. Alright, and the ESC and the receiver actually sit vertically, which is interesting. Like I said, it doesn't look like it's super complicated. It looks like something I can, or probably have done in the past in one afternoon. I do need to go buy wheels, tires, and I do need to go buy a body for this. So that's interesting. Alright, so that's it. Let's see if there's any tuning options. So that's going to be the gear ratio chart. You can adjust the ground clearance and the rebound stroke with that screw right there. You can adjust the toe in, and you can also have different suspension mounts to play with the suspension. You can use different thickness wheel hubs, which I usually do tune with, and there is a stabilizer bar kit, sway bar kit, which I will probably get. Of course, you can tune with the different diff oil thicknesses. Alright, and here's a setup sheet. So this kit is meant for racing, which is awesome. Gonna have a good time with that. And here are the different parts trees. Alright, that's it for the unboxing video for this Tamiya M-08 Concept chassis kit. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss the build series or the live stream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.